Good morning, student. In this video, I taught you adverb. Now I will teach you verb. So, student, first of all, you have to know very well what is the Hindi meaning of verb. Verb means क्या होता है? क्रिया होता है. Okay? जो भी काम हम करते हैं, whatever we do, I think so. That is our verb. Okay? You can say that is called our verb. Now see, verb. A verb is a word that tells or asserts something about a person or a thing. Once again, listen me. A verb is a word that tells or asserts something about a person or thing. Verb comes from the Latin verbum, a word. You have to know it very well. It is the most important topic and the most important fact that the word comes from the Latin words. ये कहाँ से आया है? लैटिन वर्ड से आया हुआ है, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? लैटिन वर्ड से वर्ब जो था उसी से बना है, क्या आपका वर्ब बना है. ठीक है. It is so called because it is the most important word in a sentence. Okay? So see, a verb may tell us, क्या मतलब कहता है? What a person or thing does. कि व्यक्ति या वस्तु क्या करते हैं. Okay? See, example, हरी laughs, हरी हंसता है. Here, I think so, the word laughs and the verb laughs telling us about Hari's activities. Okay, student? And see, the clock strikes. The verb strike is telling about clock. The word, or we can say verb, clock strike is telling about the activities of clock. Okay? See, second point, what is done to a person or a thing as एक व्यक्ति या वस्तु के साथ क्या किया जाता है. देखिए, हरी is scalded. हरी को डांटा गया है. The window is broken, यानी खिड़की को तोड़ दी गई है. ठीक है. And see, third point, what a person or thing as. Example, what a person or thing है, किस प्रकार की व्यक्ति है और किस प्रकार की वस्तु है. देखिए, the cat is dead. Means I think it is telling the dead word telling about cat that the cat is no more. Okay. She has been died. Glass is brittle. Glass क्या है? बहुत नाजुक है. Very tender. Okay, you can say. Next, I feel sorry. Means the word feel is telling about a person that he is feeling sorry. Okay, so let's see further. Student, read these sentences. The boy kicks the football. The boy kicks the football. The boy laughs loudly. In sentence first, the action denoted by the verb kicks. In sentence first, the action denoted by the verb kicks passes over from the doers. Okay? You have to pay attention. Or subject, boy to some object football. Means I think sir, the boy kicks the football. In this sentence there is an object, but in this sentence the boy laughs loudly. There is no object. That's why see once again. In sentence first, the action denoted by the verb kicks passes over from the doer or subject. Why to some object football, यानी जो बॉय है इसके पास क्या है? पहले में एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. कौन? द फुटबॉल. द वर्ड किक्स इज therefore called transitive verb. Transitive verb means passing over. You know that a verb which has an object is called transitive verb. A verb which has no object, there is no need of any object, that is called intransitive verb. Okay? See, once again, in sentence 2, see once again sentence 2, the action denoted by the verb laugh stops. Laugh stops with the doer or subject boy and does not pass over to an object. The boy laughs, stops loudly. I think there is no object. Not pass over to an object. The word laughs is therefore called an intransitive word. Intransitive means not passing over. As you know that very well, I told you earlier that intransitive verb has no object. That's why not passing, intransitive means not passing over. Okay, students, see further the definition of intransitive verb and transitive verb. Then it has been clear to all of you. Okay. Students, see the definition of transitive verb. See the definition of transitive verb at the blackboard. A transitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the doer or subject to an object. Doer means you can say subject. Subject or object are same. Subject and object are same. Miss, I think so we can say sorry for this. I want to say that doer and or subject both are same. Okay. So once again, see at the blackboard the definition of transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the doer or subject to an object. मीन्स क्या होता है, जो क्या होता है, एक्शन जो होती है, एक्शन कहाँ से होती है, सब्जेक्ट यानी डोवर से होके कहाँ पर जाती है, ऑब्जेक्ट तक. ओके, जैसे द बॉय किक्स द फुटबॉल. बॉय ने किसको क्या मारा, बॉय ने किसको मारा, whom the boy kicks, है, whom the boy kicks, boy kicks the फुटबॉल. यानी बॉय ने, लड़के ने किसको किक किया, फुटबॉल को. यहाँ क्या है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. सीधा सीधा हम कह सकते हैं कि ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में एक ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता होती है. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैज ए नीड एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो बॉय क्या है आपका, ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, ही किल्ड एनिमल्स, ही किल्ड एनिमल्स, यानी ये क्या है, सब्जेक्ट है, डोअर है. और यहाँ भी द बॉय क्या था, डोअर का सब्जेक्ट था. ही किल्ड एनिमल्स. अब एक्शन क्या हो रही है, किल्ड की. ठीक है, जिसको एनिमल्स बोलते हैं, यहाँ ये ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, सी definition of transitive verb. Now you can see definition of transitive verb, sorry, definition of intransitive verb. Definition of intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which does not pass over to an object or which expresses a state or being as. क्या होता है, इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं होती है. ठीक है, जो क्या करता है, जो करता है स्टेट और बीइंग. स्टेट को एक्सप्रेस करता है, एक्शन को स्टेट करता है. ठीक है, देखिए ही रन अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, एक्शन हो रहा है, लेकिन एक्शन क्या है, कहीं पास से ओवर नहीं हो जा रही है, पास होकर नहीं जा रही है, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का ऑब्जेक्ट तो है नहीं है. ठीक है, तो एक्शन क्या हो रही है, पास नहीं हो रही है. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने लिख दिया था which does not pass over to an object or which expresses or state or being a stage. Okay, he ran a long distance action. The baby sleeps state है, यहाँ पर एक्शन हो रहा है, लेकिन क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट तो है नहीं. ओके, तो एक्शन क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब पास नहीं हो रही है ऑब्जेक्ट तरफ. The baby sleeps state and there is a flaw in this diamond. ये क्या है, being यानी होना. So student, your this lesson, your this chapter has been finished. Thank you for watching me.